ornaments, and welcome to my next video. Today is a very important day because we're gonna be decorating Christmas tree. First we have to put it together, obviously, and then we will be decorating. It's gonna take us probably about 3 hours. I hope not, but it's like approximate time from the last year. And I think we can start. I'm gonna show you how big is the bag with tree. It's huge. It was very difficult to bring it from garage to here, so I'm gonna show you. But we are ready. Do you like my outfit? I think you can see it. I'm Mrs. Santa. So here is the Christmas tree. You can't probably see how big is it, but I'll show you. So this is how big it is, and I think I can't carry it. I wasn't the one who carried it to here, so I had a good training at the gym. That's even worse than I expected. Alright.
Heavy?
Yeah, it is heavy, definitely. It's big. You want me to do it by myself? Or what? Alright, what's the bottom part?
I have no idea.
What is this?
I have no idea.
I would say some decoration. B, so we need A.
Yeah,
So
that's
that might be
heavy.
this, right?
Exactly. Put it in there.
It's snowing! What just happened? So that's this one? Oh my god! Oh my god, it's making a mess. Ugh. Really? It doesn't fit there. Oh, it does. Don't try it at home. It's very dangerous. Let's do the light test. 3, 2, 1. Ah! It works. So we will leave this tree to sit for a bit, and we're gonna start a smaller one, which is gonna be in living room. So let's do this, and then we're gonna continue with the big one. So we're gonna put the tree right there instead of this plant. I forgot the name. Bonsai, I think. Since last year I forgot how it looks, so now I can see. We bought it last minute, I think. This one is the easier one. I should do it on the ground because we're gonna have snow everywhere. Easy peasy. Nice tree, eh? It just needs little, you know, little touch-ups, I would say. I'm gonna show you a treasure. Ta-da! Let's do this! Right? Cute. This one is cute as well. I wanted to show you my favorites. This is my decoration. I chose this one for this tree and this squirrel because I'm squirrel mommy. I'm feeding them here, so those are mine. So guys, I started decorating this small tree, and when we decorated the big one, I found the decorations for this tree, and they are in those small boxes, and we bought them last year just for this tree, so I have to do it one more time. But so far we've been decorating about 2 hours, which is not bad. I expected that it's gonna take a little longer, so I'm just gonna finish this and we are done. We are done now. It took us over more than 2 hours, but our masterpiece is done. Now I'm gonna show you both. You can see the small one, but I will do some closer shots and then I'm gonna show you the big one, the final result. So let's go! So this is how the small one looks like. It's in the living room, so at least we have something here as well. We usually have candles as well, but you know, the small tree we bought last year, and it was the best investment. Moving to the bigger one. This is the final result. Looks pretty. The fan is almost hitting our angel, but it's every year's problem, but it looks very nice. So those we bought last year at Bath & Body Works. You just plug them in and they smell so good, because we have as well those scents. So you just plug it in and it smells amazing. And we have Christmas tree and we have this cup. As well as those candle holders. They are so cute, and this lid is like Christmas bowl. And we bought them as well at Bath & Body Works last year, so we're gonna use them this year as well. Okay guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. Let me know how do you like our Christmas trees in the comments below. And as always, I would be really happy for a like, comment and especially subscribe, so you don't miss any of my videos, and that's the best support you can do for me. And see you next time!